In this video, we'll get inside the mind of the girl you like, the one who's ignoring you. We'll find out what she's thinking, and I'll walk you step by step through what to do so she stops ignoring you and starts coming to you. Listen, a girl ignores a guy for only two reasons. Either she's testing him, or she sees him as someone who has no options. You saw her, liked her, and suddenly poured all your attention on her. You made her feel like she was your whole world, and that you'd do anything to make her happy because you've devalued yourself. Your only dream became that she simply notice you. So how do you tell whether she's ignoring you as a test, or because she just doesn't care? Spoiler, most of the time it's the second reason. Why? Because an ignore test is usually used by girls who already have at least some interest in you. If you've spent time with her before, or there were signs she liked you, then it could be a test. But if she never gave you any signals from the start, if she shows no sign that she cares, then it's a different story. I'll cover ignore tests in the next video of this series. Today we're talking about the girl who doesn't like you and simply ignores you. And I'll teach you a technique that will make that same girl start chasing you. Remember, she ignores you because she senses you have no other options, and you're the one always chasing her. And no, this isn't one of those awful tips that says, talk to 10 other girls so you look popular. This game is far simpler. I remember when I first realized there were actually no girls in my life. I asked myself how to fix it. It wasn't a mistake, it was reality. Then I made the dumbest move. I lied. Whenever I talked to a girl, I made up fake stories about other girls in my life to convince her I had options. I thought that would work. It didn't. Here's the thing. Never do that. There are only two outcomes. Either she catches the lie, and lying is the biggest turnoff because it screams you'd do anything for her approval. Or she doesn't catch it but senses you're trying to look like you have options. Either way, it shows you're hungry for her approval. If you follow my series, you know that's the worst mistake. So what if you truly have no options? How do you legitimately make her feel like you do without lying? When I learned the game, I realized girls don't look for your real-life options. They look at how you treat them. If you treat her like you're not dependent on any one girl, like your life has choices, she'll assume you have options. The most effective way to create that impression is a technique I'll teach you next. Qualifying. Qualifying means screening someone, filtering them. Only a man who actually has options can honestly qualify others, because qualifying implies he has things to choose from. And even a small signal that you're qualifying her tells her you have options. You choose, you don't chase. That's why qualifying is my favorite technique, powerful, and most guys don't get it. When done right, qualifying boosts a woman's internal attraction, so she moves beyond casual flirting into real interest. She starts thinking, this guy is different. I want to know more. How do I impress him? Remember, be the chooser, not the chaser. Qualifying creates the feeling that you're noticing her for something specific, not just her looks, but her personality, until she truly feels you appreciate her for her inner qualities. She'll assume you're just chasing any girl who gives attention. If you don't qualify, her mind will default to two possibilities. Either you're desperate or you have no options. The moment you qualify her, a new thought arises. He's not choosing others. He chose me. So how do you qualify her so she feels special? Here are 3 powerful methods. First and simplest, ask a qualifying question that opens her up and reveals her personality. Then acknowledge that quality. For example, say something like, "I met a lot of people today, but there was something about you that felt different, comfortable and easy." If I asked, "What's your best quality? What really sets you apart?" When she hears that, she'll reflect and try to give an answer that makes her likable to you. She'll start selling herself, telling you about something she's proud of so you'll accept it. When she does, respond, "Wow, I really like that." Suddenly she feels special in your eyes. New conversation threads open and the talk gets deeper. Another example. "I wasn't sure what to expect, but you're actually really fun and easy to talk to." What's something about you that people find surprisingly interesting? Whatever she says, accept it. If you don't, she'll feel rejected. If she opens up and you accept her, a new emotion is born. She'll think, "He gets me." That's rare because many guys only focus on looks. When you value her personality, you stand out. Second technique, the self-fulfilling prophecy. Name a quality you see in her and say it aloud. When she accepts it, she will start behaving that way because people tend to become what others say about them. For instance, there are a lot of attractive people here, but talking to you felt different. You seem really open, which is rare. That openness is refreshing. Do you think that's true? If she says yes, she'll try to stay open around you. You've given her the frame. The rules for this technique: make the statement genuine, not fake, positive so she feels good, and just bold enough that she can't easily deny it. Qualities that work: open, fun, intelligent, confident, adventurous, spontaneous, sexually confident, easy to talk to. Each one creates a frame where she actually shifts to match it. For very attractive women, try, "Most people only notice looks, but I'm impressed by your intelligence." Smart girls want their intelligence seen. Pretty girls want to be called smart. Psychology doesn't fail. Third technique, notice and accept when she qualifies herself. Often a girl will try to impress you without saying it outright. She'll show positive body language, lean in, make eye contact, touch you lightly, act like she's presenting herself. When you notice that she's trying to impress, simply acknowledge it. "That was cool, I liked that," or "You're actually really interesting," or even a light arm around. That acceptance rockets her attraction because she feels seen and validated. If you don't notice, she feels rejected and will become cold or indifferent. This works with anyone, friends, co-workers. Whenever you openly acknowledge someone's quality, you give them a warmth they won't forget. Warning: if you only apply these points from this video and nothing else, you risk ending up in the friend zone. Psychology is interlinked. Each piece connects. If you pick up one piece only, the puzzle stays incomplete. That's why watching the whole series is crucial. The knowledge I'm giving you comes from years of mistakes, experiments, and experience, and I'm sharing it for free.